the thing I learned there that I think I've always kept with me since then is that your relationship with your manager or your boss is your responsibility. It's not their responsibility. We all love to complain about our bosses, no matter who they are. I'm sure plenty of employees of mine have complained about me. And at the end of the day, you're the one working for the other person. And so if you don't ask the questions, or you don't bring up things that are important, or you don't speak truth to power, there's really nothing they can do with the problems that you're having. One can only fix something they're aware of. Understanding that being a good advocate for yourself is the only way you're going to get compensated commensurate with what you're worth. Asking for things and responsibilities, even if you're not 100% sure how to do every aspect of them, these are the things that truly successful people do. The current CEO of Disney has never run a television division. He comes from the theme park division and consumer products before that. Many people you now see in great areas of responsibility are doing many of the things that they're doing for the first time in their lives. And frankly, William Goldman, who wrote Princess Bride and Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid, his great book called Adventures in the Screen Trade. And the first line is, the thing you need to know about the entertainment business is nobody knows anything. And the thing you need to know about the entertainment industry is nobody knows anything. And if all you have to do is look around you at the current landscape in the media and entertainment business, and it's just very true. Wake up stupid every day. Wake up ready to learn something new every single day. And if you do that, you can overcome not knowing anything. The thing that's going to be the longevity of your career is being yourself. And I know that sounds kind of Pollyannish to a certain extent, but literally the only thing that you can do better than everyone else on the face of the planet is be you. Now, what that is hard to determine. It isn't just like, hey, show up and just, wear the clothes I want to wear and tell the jokes I want to tell. It means understanding what your talents are, the things that come naturally to you. It's understanding, being self-aware about what other people think about you and your reputation. It's having constant feedback from people you trust. It's laying out a plan for yourself to discover the things that you're great at and that you can continue to improve at until you become the best in the world at them.